Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to transfer USDT from BitGet to your Phantom wallet safely and quickly. First, open your Phantom wallet and tap Receive. Choose USDT, then select the correct network like Solana, Ethereum, or Polygon and copy your wallet address. Now, head to BitGet, log in and go to Assets. Tap Withdraw, choose USDT and select On-Chain Withdrawal. Paste your Phantom wallet address and make sure to pick the same network you selected earlier. This is super important. Choosing the wrong network can lead to lost funds. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, then complete the required security steps like email or SMS verification. Hit withdraw to send the funds. After a few minutes, once the blockchain confirms the transaction, your USDT will appear in your Phantom wallet. And that's it. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.